More than half of 2025 has passed, and the global semiconductor market continues to grow steadily. In the world of semiconductor manufacturing, any impurity is the sworn enemy of yield, especially ultrapure gases, the very blood of chipmaking. Their purity determines the destiny of every chip. Bulk gases in semiconductor manufacturing must reach 3M purity, while electronic specialty gases demand 5 and 6 impurity. Metallic impurities must also be reduced to the 10A10 level. Amid these uncompromising purity standards, a true gas bodyguard emerges. Feature-Tec. We safeguard your processes with advanced ultrapure gas filtration solutions. Feature-Tec ultrapure gas filter cartridges, mighty G-profile water filters, made of PTFE, PFA with exceptional chemical stability. Ideal for highly corrosive gases such as perfluorinated compounds and ammonia. Optimized filter structure design ensures low extractables and minimal metal ion release, meeting the highest cleanliness standards. Feature-Tec GS series filters, engineered with high cleanliness processing, featuring contamination, free welding, and zero particle residue. Available in multiple sizes: mini, standard, mega. Suitable for a wide range of Gasfil requirements. Feature-Tec independently developed high-temperature ultrapure gas filters. Gasfil high-temperature ultrapure gas filter, built with sintered metal filter media, capable of stable operation under extreme conditions greater than 400 C, with outstanding particle retention performance.